All right, so now that we've learned about base systems and binary in particular, I want to take a few minutes just to explain a few algorithms. I'm not going to go through them in detail, but I just wanted to say a few things about these algorithms. So first of all, since computers deal with information represented in binary exclusively, right? It's all just strings of ones and zeros. If we're going to program a computer to, say, add integers together, we need to be able to do that with integers represented in binary. And so that's how these algorithms are written. They're assuming that you have two numbers which are both represented in binary, and then the algorithm works with the binary strings to produce the binary string that represents the sum. So this algorithm here, this is an algorithm that some students might work with when you are studying Boolean circuitry in chapter 12. We have one team that's going to do a project on that topic, so you might end up coming back to this algorithm and basically creating a Boolean circuit to actually perform this algorithm, like literally what you would put on a circuit board if you wanted it to do this, which is pretty cool. The next algorithm I wanted to show is this one for multiplication. This is a pretty straightforward multiplication algorithm, but it turns out there is a better multiplication algorithm called fast modular multiplication. And that is an algorithm that the team which is studying divide and conquer algorithms, that team is going to study fast modular multiplication, which is an application of the divide and conquer strategy. And then there's an algorithm for computing div and mod over here. So remember we've been talking about doing div, which is like dividing and then taking the quotient, or doing mod, which is dividing and then taking the remainder. So we have algorithms for doing those here. And then lastly, there's an algorithm here for doing exponentiation. So this is called the fast modular exponentiation algorithm. And this one is relevant to people doing RSA encryption. The RSA encryption strategy involves taking the power of a number, taking an exponential, evaluating an exponential. So this is an algorithm which, hypothetically you would apply when performing that calculation required for the encryption. So, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say about these things. I'm not going to go over those algorithms in detail, but I recommend those who are interested, and especially if you're doing one of those projects, please check those out, and I hope you enjoy.